just walking around the krantz this morning. It's like a little strip of, I guess, like the hills just on the outside of the village on the western side, and it runs alongside the village, and then on the far left there's a bit of a valley with the river, but the krantz walk is a beautiful walk. It's full of just amazing fynbos flowers, really old like rock formations, and obviously a lot of wildlife and birds and hares and guinea fowls and everything here. Yeah, so it's just an early morning walk. We always used to do morning walks back when I lived here. It's a big part of life in McGregor. So I'm walking with my mum. It's a nice way to start the day, and then I guess breakfast is next.
But I have a feeling that I should probably.
Every time that we come back and visit the village, we always make a point to return back to our house, especially to wander through the garden. Absolutely everything that's in here now was all put here by my mom and dad with the help of Pete, our gardener. Peter's still here and tends to the most beautiful gardens in the village. Coming to the village is always special because it means that I get to see my best friend from childhood, who's still my best friend 23 years later.
So many things on the table.
Blessings on the meal, may it nourish and heal.
Blessings on our guests and blessings on the chef.
Mira and Panina have been in McGregor ever since we moved here, and we love being able to visit them and share a good meal together. Hello, I'm just on my way to Temenos now, which is a big garden behind me. So it's like a retreat kind of place where they've got meditation wells, they do yoga. It's pretty much been part of the village ever since we've moved here. But they've also spent the last 2.5 decades curating a beautiful garden. So it's a Sunday afternoon. I'm going to take a little bit of a walk and just kind of show you what it looks like inside. So it's actually always been just down the road from where we live, so we live just a block away, but it's been a staple for a lot of things in the village and festivities. I've been to many poetry festival readings here. They also have performed plays. There's a restaurant. It's just it's always been lovely. So I haven't actually had the chance to visit since I've got into the village, but I'm taking some time now